Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium with a quick product spotlight today, looking at the new Deco brush from Rec Supply. Well, we've had a metal stainless steel Deco brush out on the market for many years. It hasn't been incredibly successful, and I get it. You know, not everyone wants a giant stainless steel heavy brush, you know, when they're lathering up, they kind of want something more light and ergonomic. So totally get it. So I kind of got thinking to myself, you know, why don't we kind of go back in time? The whole promise of Rex is to revisit excellence, right? And I think one of the really cool materials that has historically been used for shaving brushes has been Lucite. Lucite is kind of like saying Kinko's or, you know, FedEx, where it's like it's a name that has become synonymous with a material. Truth be told, this is just like a plexiglass or an acrylic, right? But the industry trade name has been Lucite, which I think just has a more cachet to it. So it is a Lucite brush, and it's the same exact shape as our other Deco brush. It has this really cool, unique geometric kind of faceted side, almost like a diamond or like a sapphire, something really exotic. And we've done something really unique with this though. We have put in a 26 millimeter high-end, you know, silver tip plus badger knot, a really nice, very dense, soft knot. I mean, it feels fantastic, but it's really dense, got a good backbone to it. We did that, but on top of that, we engraved Rex into the bottom, so it's laser engraved. It looks really nice. It'll be there forever. And just to kind of give it, you know, one little touch of color, we thought we'd put a Rex sticker on it. And that's the same kind of sticker that you see on some other brands that, you know, have been on shaving brushes for a long time. It's a very high quality print, very durable, clear sticker with our branding and color on it. So just really takes it over the top and gives this otherwise kind of monochromatic look, a splash of color and a little bit of branding. It's that same Rex blue that we like a lot, kind of iridescent blue. But it's beautiful. I think it's a really unique brush that we haven't kind of cut any corners, so to speak. That is not round and turned like everyone else's brush. I always like to do things a little bit different, and I think the facets end up being this really unique shape where you can hold between your index and your thumb and kind of grip it like this, or if you want to grip it on the big flatter sides, you can do that. But it just looks so cool. I mean, once you want this on your counter, this is like something you'd want to see. I think, you know, when it's next to the other Rex razors, it just looks like it's all part of the same family. It has that same 1940s, 1930s kind of Art Deco look to it, and that's what we wanted to do with it. That's why we call it a Deco brush. Now, it's no small feat. And then on top of that, to kind of blind cover that hole with this black dye, it's a very specialized process to do this, and it's very unique. It's really easy to get streaks in there, or you kind of see part of the knot, but this is executed just perfect. So I'm really excited about these. These are going to be a brand new product from Rex. They will come in the Rex kind of deluxe package, as I call it, where it has a cutout inside out of this really dense fabric, and it's got a spot that just holds it just right. I mean, can you imagine giving this as a gift? You know, or you get it as a gift, it's Christmas morning, and hey, Dad, I got you something, you know, here you go. That's the kind of brush that's like heirloom quality, right? We say, hey, this is something that you want to keep the box for, that you want to kind of remember, you want to have and hold on to. That's what the whole promise of Rex is, to revisit excellence and to have that same experience that people had years ago. I mean, if it was the 1950s and Christmas morning, you could open up a Fat Boy razor, you know, you could get a nice tube of shaving cream or some sandalwood shaving soap, you know, maybe a nice new brush. That was just part of being a man, and that's kind of the whole promise of Rex, is we're going to go back and revisit those good times and those quality, durable goods that would stay around forever. This is the kind of brush, if you took care of it, there's no reason you couldn't hand this down to somebody. You know, the hair, as long as you clean it out periodically with some shampoo, and you can clean it, you know, get all the soap scum out of it, you can have this brush for years. I actually have a brush at home that's from the 30s, and I still can use it. It's still great, and it gets softer and softer with age. So that's the new Rex Deco brush. Really excited about it. Yeah, this was literally is the working prototype. Our shipment of these are coming in. We did a small quantity to start with. I only think we had 150 of these, you know, fashioned. If it takes off, we'll make more, but look for these and get one while they last. That's all I got. If you like Lucite brushes, if you like geometry, tell me below in the comments what do you think about the new Deco brush from Rex. That's all I got, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.